Assalamu alaikum. Again, this Marwa. We will continue now for first secondary the algebra subtracting matrix. I insist to divide the addition and subtracting two videos because I want to solve a lot of example now with you after I finish subtraction, because subtraction is very easy. So now we are going to start subtraction. Okay. What I am going to do subtraction, you know, of course, that's meaning like that. If I have a matrix, it's supposed to be minus b. Okay, minus b, this we can say that this is inverse identity, which we already explained before. Before we said that if you have a matrix b, if I told you minus b, this meaning that minus 1 multiply b. So this minus 1 is a real number multiplied by matrix. So I have to distribute for all elements for matrix by multiplication. Right or no? This was the meaning of the subtraction. So now nothing else. Now I'll only try to solve a lot of examples with you. Okay? So if you have now, for example, if we have A is 0, 3, 0, 2, minus 2, and we have B 2, 0, 0, 5, okay, and also we have C 3, 2, 2, 1, okay. But I hope that it's clear for you. Okay, then he will give me the answer for 2a plus 3c minus 2b. Okay, I'll institute in this equation. So I'll institute. So this will be like that. Real number 2, I'll put it 4 here, minus 3, this is the a, so I'll put a here, okay, 2, 0, minus 2, and then plus 3, multiply, this meaning multiply by c, 3, 2, 2, 1, okay, then minus 2, okay, b, which meaning 2, 0, 0, 5. Clear now? What I'm going to do here, this is multiplication. So this real number supposed to be multiply each element. So I'll take it. 2 multiply minus 3, minus 6. 2 multiply 0, 0. Okay. 2 multiply 2, it's 4. 2 minus 2, 0. Okay. This order what? 2 by 2. And this one 2 by 2, and this one 2 by 2. All same order? All same order or no? And this also? Sorry, 2 multiply minus 2, it's coming minus 4. Sorry. Okay, thank you, Rado. This 2 by 2, this 2 by 2, this 2 by 2. And this is addition or subtraction, which meaning the matrix must have the same order and the result must have the same order. So this is coming to also by 2. Here plus, I'll put it plus. Then I'll open matrix. This I'll multiply distribution. 3 by 3, 9. 3 by 2, 6. 3 by 2 again, it's coming 6. 3 by 1, 3. Okay? Right. And here minus. Right? My advice, make it plus and multiply the minus for all. Like we say before, this is coming identity inverse for the matrix. Okay, so I'll do it like that. And now minus 2 multiply 2, minus 4. Minus 2 multiply 0, 0. Minus 2 multiply 0, 0. Minus 2 multiply 5, minus 10. This also 2 by 2. So it's all again same order. Okay, now I'll solve it. First element plus first element plus first element plus minus, it's coming minus 4. Okay, then 0 plus 6 plus who? Which one? 0. 4 plus 6 plus what? 0. Minus 4 plus 3 minus 10. Okay, which we're going to be minus 6 minus 4, 10 plus 1. Here 6 and here 10 and here what? 11. Right or wrong? What's the order? 2 by 2. Easy or difficult? Okay. طيب, I want to know the property for subtraction. طيب, we can make commutative for subtraction. يعني I can say that A minus B is equal B minus A. Of course no. Why? Because can I say 5 minus 3 equals 3 minus 5? No. Okay, so it is the same. If this matrix, so it's contain elements, right? And this matrix, it's supposed also contain elements, right? So if this is here, meaning the biggest, right or no? So maybe this 6, but here is 1 or 2 or any number less than 6, which means it's a right or a correct answer. But if I make it commutative, so the smallest will be here, right? So it's wrong because it will not be okay. So it's not commutative, not commutative. خلاص. طيب, can I make associative for it? Can I make an associative? No, we can't make any associative for the subtraction matrix also. Right. I'll solve with you the try solve, because example in the book you can read it, but I'll give you one note. It's very important that if you have A plus B all transfers, so this will be, I'll distribute this here transport and here, so it's coming to be A power T plus P power T. Okay, type. And again, if you have A transport all power T, this coming A. I explained this in the first lesson, you can check, but I'll give you as a reminder. Okay, I'll solve with you now the try to solve. We are going to solve it together. A supposed to be 2, 4 minus 2, 0. B half 4 minus 2 and half. Okay, we want you to give us x matrix. Find x. Okay, what's x is when he give you a condition. Okay, 3a minus 2b equal 2x minus 3i, and he gave you I. He told you that I is in order 2 by 2. Okay. Okay. First, I'll solve the left side here. 3a minus 2b. Supposed to be 3. Okay. Multiply 2, 4 minus 2, 0. Okay. And then minus 2b. I'll institute here half minus 2, 4 and then half. Okay. I'll multiply 3 multiplied by 2 equal you are 6. Okay, and here minus 6. 3 multiplied by 4 12. 3 by 0 is 0. Okay, even if I put this in minus, no problem. 2 by half equal 1. 2 by 4 8, and here 2 minus equal minus 4, and here 1. Okay. Okay, Okay, so these are going to be 6 minus 1, 12, minus by minus is plus 4, minus 6 minus 8, 0 minus 1. Okay, these are going to be 5 minus 6 is going minus 14, here 16, and here minus 1. This coming 2 by 2 order, right or wrong? Right or wrong? طيب. Okay, now this right side supposed to be, يعني now I can say that this 5 16 minus 14 minus 1 supposed to be equal to x minus 3i. Okay, so how can I solve this one? This x I don't know, and I, what's meaning of I? Now you have to revise the first video for us in algebra. I is a unit matrix. Can you remember the unit matrix of I? And he gave it to you that it's supposed to be in order 2 by 2. So what is the I? It's like that. If you remember the unit matrix, it's 2 by 2, meaning like that, and the diagonal must be 1, 0 and 0. He only play with you by words. Okay, so you have to be wake up for that. So I'll finish now. It's coming 5 16 minus 14 minus 1 is equal to x minus 3. I'll institute by here 1 0 رضوى be here 0 1. Okay, concentrate. Clear? Okay, you know now what's the problem? I is the unit matrix. Remember the unit matrix is diagonal like that. O is the 0 matrix. I is, so if he give it to you, he will put it to you I. إيه؟ Sorry, عجزت إيه? What I transfers? No, this one, this 0. Sorry. Okay? Diagonal is 1. Okay? So now I put it 5 16 minus 14 minus 1 is equal to x minus what? 3 0, and here what? 0 3. Right or no? Easy until now, like exactly what we're doing in the natural number. Here minus, I make it plus like that. What I'm doing in the right, I'm doing here. So this meaning that I have to make also 3 0 0 3. Okay, so this we're going to this will give me 0 matrix, right or no? And then I make here like that 3 plus 5 8, and here 16, and here minus 14, and here 3 plus 1, it's equal to, this is going to be equal to x. If I'm going to divide, so 2x is equal what? Is equal that this one. I'm going to divide here by 2, so I have to divide here also by a by 2. So then x is supposed to be equal 4, and then minus 7, and then 8. Clear? Division by real number, and then 1. It's coming 2 by 2. So it's this gave me that this first one is okay because it's the same order. Type. I want to check my answer. I have to check. I'll institute. I have this is the left. I can institute back. Work back side. How? 2 multiply this one is coming 8. 2 multiply is coming minus 14, and then here 16, and then here 2. And if I'm institute here by 3 0 0 3, so it's coming 5 16 minus 14 minus 1. Right or no? Easy. So sometimes they play with you by symbols, by word. Suppose you will be wake up to notify what he want. If you can concentrate and you didn't know that the I meaning the unit matrix, you will say what? How can I solve? if you put you, of course, practice, a lot of practice will give you wake up. So try, يعني I'll give you math like driving. You have to practice too much. Okay, after I finish all lessons for the next exam, I'll give you worksheet. Try to solve it, and if you have any question, and the worksheet will be easy and very difficult. يعني all question will I'll verify. So try to solve it. Thank you, and keep watching. Press like, share, subscribe, so all people we can help can use this video if it's okay for you and if it's useful. Yeah. Thank you.